Hello. Okay. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Paulina Torres. I will be trying to change the name to actually, you guys can comment down below what should I name this channel, and I'll give you a shout out. And I will be on a new channel in the year of 18. So today I'm going to be doing pet peeves with this slime. Kind of looks like Play-Doh. Not going to lie, it looks like Play-Doh, but not Play-Doh. It kind of sounds like Play-Doh, but not Play-Doh. Kind of feels like Play-Doh. So I'm going to be doing pet peeves with this Play-Doh. Slime. So let's just get on with the video. So the first pet peeve I'm going to be doing is when they're like, hair gets in the way or something. I don't know, and I don't know. So let's just wait. What is that on my hair? I don't know and I don't care. Let's just go with the pet peeve. So the next pet peeve the next pet peeve is when they're like scared of the slime. So the next pet peeve is when the camera is just too shaky. Oops. So let's do it. The next pet peeve is when they like just add weird random stuff to it. So yeah. Yeah, so the next pet peeve is when I guess I'm trying to think of something oh yeah, when they keep on talking and you just want to hear the click video. Hey guys, welcome back to Glitter Slime IO. So here is my gorgeous blue slime, dark blue slime. It's kind of like butter slime. So look at that. And look how clicky it is. It's so clicky, like, yo, like, you guys, like, are enjoying this so much, like, so satisfying. You guys must already be asleep or something like that. Like, if you watch ASMR for, like, sleeping and slime and stuff like that. So, look how clicky it is. It's so clicky, like, yo, like, clicky. The next pet peeve is when they just like keep on ripping the slime or something. Oops. I just ripped it myself. So let's get to it. I think I already told you. I don't remember. Oh. The next pet peeve is when they're just aggressive with the slime. Like, just aggressive. So, did I already show you? Okay, I think I did, yeah. That one was like when they're aggressive with the slime, so I think I didn't tell you guys. So that was when they're aggressive with the slime, so yeah. And that is all for today, I guess. And comment down below if you want the more of the pet peeves. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah. Goodbye. Wait, I feel like I'm forgetting something. Hold up, I'll be back when I remember. Okay, I remember. Goodbye!